Would you look who it is?
Sup?
Brother Swole's back, baby.
That's right. Hey, is this thing on? Hey,
what are we
give
doing?
Give me this lens.
You're
Come
too damn tall, bro.
Hey, alright, so it's been like 6 months since I last did a workout with barbells. Since it's been 6 months and since I hate myself, I'm gonna try her leg workout that she rode for me.
One of the times he was here, I did his back workout.
That's
and
right.
Somebody suggested he try my leg workout, so that's what we're doing today.
That's right.
Suki's very excited too. Oh my god, she's so overexposed. Oh my god, she looks like a wolf. But first, we gotta take some transparent labs.
Pre-workout.
Baby.
Buy some. The
Yes.
link below.
Link in the description, use code MamaSwole for a discount.
Yeah.
You wanna dry scoop it, bro?
No.
You should though.
Hey, what's this in here?
Oh, that's to keep it fresh.
No, don't eat that part.
And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
Alright, so first we're gonna do a warm-up. It's cold as fuck today. We
It's
chose
so
the
cold.
wrong way.
I'm wearing a
Chose the
mask
wrong
just
day
for
to
the
do this.
warmth.
Do some leg swings like this, like so. And you're gonna do some open the gate, close the gate.
Alright.
Alright? Then you need to activate the glutes. So, you use one of these babies. You ever use these?
No.
No? Well, here's what you're gonna do. Like so. Push your knees outwards, okay?
Yep. Hey,
Don't fall, bro. Yeah. Feel it working? Hell yeah. Final thing, we're gonna do some squats with this. Let's do it. You good?
Yo, I hit my head on that thing. So low.
Alright.
That was awkward. Yeah, this feels way better.
Now that you've warmed up,
Yeah.
see, pays off. Alright, now we're gonna get into the real shit, bro. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna squat this shit for real.
Yeah.
What are you gonna add?
Are you gonna work out?
Yeah. Wait, should I go?
I don't know.
I should probably squat the barbell, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's have some weight.
I don't know if I should add like 25s or 45.
Probably 25. Start off slow.
Start slow. Also, what's the workout anyway?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So, alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Barbell squats, hip thrusts. You ever do those?
Yeah.
Banded hip thrusts though.
Okay.
Leg press and some glute kickbacks.
All right.
Ready for that shit?
I've never done those.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Bow.
Bow.
Give me a bow.
Bow.
We're gonna try to aim for 10 reps, alright?
All right.
10 reps. Let's get it.
Hopefully I don't hit my head on this friggin' thing. 10 reps right there. Nice. How do you feel?
And now I'm warming up.
All right.
You too?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I might go up to 45.
Let's do 45. Let's go.
Do it.
135, baby.
Use clips. Whoa.
How's that?
Hard.
After 6 months, how's that feel?
Kind of hard. Kind of difficult. How you feeling about this set?
Pretty good.
This is the art of putting plates on. Very delicate art. 25, pick it up, put it onto the bar, push it in.
Woo!
How do you feel now?
Ain't nothing but a peanut.
Boom. That's a workout.
That's the hardest part of the workout. Alright, let's get this shit, bro. You ready?
Except I gotta put on some music. Hey, if you're working out without music, here's what I recommend. Listen to music. That felt hard.
Oh yeah. So next we got some barbell hit thrust. You ready for that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get it. So when's the last time you did barbell hip thrust? 6 months? Or do you never
Way
do
long.
these?
Yeah, I hardly ever do these.
Do you think 135 is gonna be okay?
Let's hope. When I used to do these in the gym, people would just stare at me. Give me funny looks.
Yeah, I know. One time I did them and this old dude was like, I've never seen anything like that in my life.
It's like,
really?
yeah. People make it a sexual thing. It's not sexual. It's just a hip thrust. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Mind out of the gutter.
Wait, can you go first to show me?
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna use the band too. So here's what you do. You place this right here.
Oops.
Then roll it back.
Roll it back.
Firmly plant your feet into the ground.
How far back should your back be on the bench?
You want your shoulder blades digging into the edge of it.
All right.
All right. Push it up. Big push like that.
Yep.
You want to still press your knees up. Oh my god, that hurts like a bitch.
Nice. That's the point. How do you feel now? Right. In case you missed the briefing, put this over your knees. It's hard just to step out.
Yeah, it's a really high resistance.
Right. See how this goes for me. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Maybe I can get 5. I don't know.
You got this. Roll it back.
All right. Jesus.
Yeah, right?
Yo, I can't do this.
You can do it.
Man,
You can do
I
it.
can tell it's too heavy.
No, you're fine.
I'm gonna try it without.
Alright.
I can tell.
You're not giving it a shot.
I just want to try it first.
It's just in your head. Just do like 1 or 2 reps without and then put the band back.
Without?
I'm in charge here. See, you're fine.
Jesus Christ, that's hard.
Come on, you can do it. 1 more. Alright, put the band on.
Oh, shit.
Here, I'll give
so
you the less resistance band, okay?
What?
This one's less resistance.
Alright, we'll do that.
There you go. You can do it, bro.
I can do it. I can do anything in my mind.
That's right. Give it a go. Give it the old college try.
Firmly plant them.
There you go. See, you're good. Hey. Try to get 8.
I'm gonna go for 5.
8. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Give me 3 more, okay?
Alright.
1. There you go. 2. Last one. See, you got it. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Oh, sorry. Elbow. Elbow.
That's so hard.
Hell
I'll
yeah.
need 1 more set of that.
Next one, you try the purple band.
What?
Next one, try the purple band.
That's too hard.
You can do it.
It's too hard. I can just tell.
Don't wimp out on
I
me,
can
bro.
tell it's too hard.
You could at least try it.
I'll try it.
Just get really pissed off. I had to do my chores today. So I... You know what that's from?
Yeah.
See, you can do it.
Alright.
Hey, get that shit. There you go. Hey, good shit, bro. Yeah, I knew you could do it.
Hey.
Alright, we got leg press next. You ready for that?
I'm ready.
So what do you want to put on it? 45?
45.
You could do 2 45s on each side,
Let's
at
do
least.
145 first. Feel it out. Then
Lame.
probably 2. Hey, quit hating. It's been 6 months. Alright?
We could do 2 45s though.
I think so, but I want to feel it out first. If it's been 6 months before you've gone to the gym, just put on less weight first. Feel it out. You can probably do more. Yeah, we know. But then you can always add more. You can't like take it off as you're doing it and then as you're falling under a barbell, right?
Alright, let's see it.
Let's see it, folks. I kind of like to hold it here sometimes. I don't know
Me
if that's
too.
just me.
This It's not just you.
You know, just like, yeah, so this is pretty easy. This is what we call a warm-up, folks. You want to warm up your muscles so they're ready to go.
Alright, let's add the next 45.
All right, 20 kilos.
Kilo.
Do you use kilograms or pounds?
Kilo.
Let us know in the comment section down below.
Hey, put those hands up. Ain't no cheating.
How many reps did you say?
10.
I think that was 10.
7.
Oh, whoops.
That was easy.
Yeah, that was easy.
That was way too easy. I think you should put like 2 more plates on each side.
2 more plates on each side?
Yes.
You mean like 1 more on each side?
No.
I'll do 1 more first.
Alright.
And if that's easy, I'll add another.
Alright, go for it.
All right. That was hard.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
That was easy peasy.
Right.
Gotta add more.
Go for it. 10 reps.
10 reps?
Yes, you can get it. Just have the number in your mind. Hey.
This should have been that hard for you, dude. We're gonna do instead.
What is this?
Because it's less windy. It's a kickback machine.
Show us how it
You ever
works.
done it?
No.
Hold these. Put here, push it back.
Nope. Push it back. That's it. Just gotta push it back.
It feels weird. I feel it more in my quads, to be honest.
It seems pretty good
You
though.
wanna try it?
I'll try it.
I never use this one. I always use the other one.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, right?
I like the angle.
Where do you feel it? Your knee?
Yeah, look at my knee.
I feel it in my knee too. What should we do? Should we do stiff leg deadlifts?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do those. We're gonna do stiff leg deadlifts superset with Bulgarian split squats.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get it. We're gonna go right here. You know how to do both of those, right? Alright, let's go. Hey, 2 more. Hey. Oh my god. Yeah, split squat's nice. Let's get it. Let's go, go, go. Pop that foot out. Pop that foot out. There you go. Bro, you're all crooked. Scoot that foot over. Out further.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I don't even know how many reps that was.
0.
Other. You do it.
Dude, don't, come on. Don't wimp
It's
out
all
on me.
uneven.
There you go. I don't know, bro. That form is iffy.
No, that was goofy.
That was straight up goofy, dog.
Okay.
Let me try these.
All right.
This.
It's freaking hard because the ground is uneven. Feels like we're done.
We're done.
We're done.
Dude, we picked the windiest day to film. How'd it feel though?
That was pretty challenging. I didn't like max out because that's a silly thing to do after you've had 6 months off from the gym.
That's just asking for injury. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate my leg workout?
Honestly, this was like a regular, scheduled workout of mine. I'd probably 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Damn,
Yeah.
that's pretty good. That's not even actually, unfortunately, that's not even actually what I do on leg day. Because we couldn't do like some of the stuff I usually do. Glad you still rated it a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. You think you're gonna be sore tomorrow?
Definitely.
Oh,
I guess
yeah?
maybe we could record a short clip tomorrow of me like walking up the stairs.
That's a good idea, dude.
Yeah.
But was it what you expected?
I almost expected for it to be like so hard that I would not be able to walk.
Like right now?
Right after, yeah.
Yeah.
Which, I don't know. I think I just handled the weight differently because I've had so much time off. So I didn't push it as hard, but that's kind of a good thing.
All right, is that good? Is that enough? All right, signing out for now. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Shout out to my patrons. If you would like to support me on Patreon, the link is in the description. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.